Hello mga lagawan, ini si Rocky the Explorer. If you are into shopping, then this is definitely your kilig place. This is the outlets, Pueblo Verde at Lapu-Lapu City in Cebu. They have actually plenty of good brands and products that are in their complex. From Adidas to Nike to Converse to Levi's or Onitsuka Tiger, Asics. They have actually good buys and big discounts for those who are really into shopping. So if I were you, I'd really try to visit this place because it will be worth it for you, especially on Saturdays and on weekends. They have special discounts pa. And this includes Oakley also and bags for the ladies, Puma. You won't regret coming here.